Hi, my name is Drew Thomason. I am the creator of VoxNovel, which is a program that I made where you can give it a ebook file and it will output a single audiobook file, which is it gives each character its own voice, and you can use voice cloning using XTTS Kokoi, and it uses booknlp to be able to extract metadata about the book to figure out who says what. So yeah, voice cloning, give each character their own voice, super easy. This is the install directions for Windows. So yeah, so we just go over to Windows in the README, and here we go. So we open up PowerShell, and first you install WSL with that command. You might have to enable virtualization in your BIOS if it tells you to. So, yeah, Drew. Oops. Cool. Give that a second. And great. So then we will go over here and copy and paste this command. This will do everything for you. It's an entire .sh file that just installs everything in your WSL Ubuntu environment. And once that's done, I will be back. Great. So now it is done. So it's fully installed. So this is optional right here, this NVIDIA installer thing. I'm not even going to do it, and I have an NVIDIA card. It's not really needed, but just in case I have it there. So then we're just going to activate the Conda environment. Paste that command. As you can see, it's not found. So for that, you just reopen a new PowerShell window and then type in WSL-D Ubuntu. That command is also found right here. Great. So then you just copy it again, and there we go. Now the Vox Novel Conda environment is activated. This is what all the pips has installed into, and then you'll just copy this and paste it. Now we're in Vox Novel, and now we can run the program. And right now it is downloading the booknlp model files. So we'll give that a second. Great. So, great, now we have the booknlp files. So we're just going to get a test file. So I'm just gonna go into Linux, Ubuntu, Home, Drew, and Vox Novel. And here I actually have a example working file, which is just this. This is a custom ebook file that I made for testing this. It's just really tiny. That's all. Something. Great. So we're just going to do it again. And there it is, mini story. Open that. And now booknlp will process that. So we're going to give that a second. So now we are in the GUI for Vox Novel. So you can select the text-to-speech model that you want to use for cloning. The default is X2TS v2, so we're just gonna keep it there. That's the one that works the best. And then, you can select all the voices.
She erased her number from Suzanne's phone and did the same to Lorraine's, whose iPhone was on the coffee table next to a black lace bra she recognized as the one she gave Suzanne for her birthday a few months ago.
Yep, that's gonna be Jolly's voice. So you can just select the voices for all the characters. You can make it all generate with the narrator voice. You just want one voice. Select the accents of all the characters. These don't work. Ignore this part right here. Ignore the silence duration of chapter delimiter. Anyway, and you can see the whole book, and we're just going to generate the audio. And the loading bar will show right here. Okay, cool. So now the audiobook is finished generating, and we can just close out of this window. This is a beta thing that I'm working on that I don't know, maybe I'll finish it, but doesn't matter. Just close out of that. And now it's combining all the audio files that it's generating into a single audio file. And there we go, it's done. So now when you want to get it, you just go into the Ubuntu machine. So we're just gonna home, user, and Vox Novel. And in here you will find a output audiobooks file, little folder, and there it is.
The heart of the bustling market of Marrakesh, with a scent of spice,
Look twice at a pair of humble shoppers such as ourselves.
by a booming voice.
Multiple voices for each character. Awesome. And that's it. Have fun.